Zdravo na site! Hello everyone and welcome back to our Macedonian language channel. I'm Ali and today's lesson is all about the months of the year in Macedonian. By the end of this episode, you'll be able to say all 12 months and start talking about dates, birthdays, and holidays. Let's go through them in order. First is January. In Macedonian, you say Januari. Second is February. In Macedonian, Februari. Third is March. In Macedonian, Mart. Fourth is April. In Macedonian, April. Fifth is May. In Macedonian, Mai. Sixth is June. In Macedonian, Juni. Seventh is July. In Macedonian, Juli. Eighth is August. In Macedonian, August. Ninth is September. In Macedonian, we say Septembri. 10th is October, and in Macedonian, we say Octombri. 11th is November. In Macedonian, Noembri. And the last one is December, and in Macedonian, we say Decembri. Now, let's repeat them together slowly. January, February, Mart, April, Mai, Juni, Juli, August, Septembri, Octombri, Noembri, Decembri. Let's practice with short sentences. Ja sam roden во май, which means I was born in May. Мојот роден ден е во Октомври, which means my birthday is in October. Сега е Септември, which means it is September now. It's your turn now. Try answering these questions by yourself and comment them in the comments below. I will also put the correct answer in the comments. Here are some fun facts about months of the year in North Macedonia. Traditionally, the year begins with Orthodox Christmas on January 7th. Many families still celebrate with bread with coin hidden inside. People light bonfires for Badnik, Christmas Eve, on January 6th. February is known as a season of pruning vineyards, which is happening on St. Tryphon on February 14th. On March 1st, people exchange martinki, their red and white wooden bracelet, for health and happiness. Easter often falls in April according to the Orthodox calendar, a huge celebration with red-colored eggs and family feasts. In May, fields and gardens in North Macedonia are full of blossoming roses, especially in the famous Tikvesh region. June usually represents the start of the summer. Schools close, the people head to Lake Ohrid and other places. July is the hottest month of the year where people gather mostly around the lakes in Ohrid, Prespa, and Doiran, and also in the mountains. In August, Macedonians celebrate Ilinden on August 2nd. That's Elias Day. It is a major national holiday that they celebrate with fairs, music, and village gatherings. September is when the wine harvest begins. North Macedonia is famous for its Tikvesh wine region. In October, autumn colors fill the mountains, and it is perfect time for hiking. In November, the cold winds return and people enjoy healthy traditional dishes like tavče gravče, which is baked beans. In December, winter holidays are celebrated in a warm and wholesome way. Thank you so much for watching. Ви благодарам што гледавте. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video. In the next episode, we'll learn how to talk about the four seasons in Macedonian: spring, summer, autumn and winter, and practice them in a simple sentences. До следното видување. See you in the next episode.